Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Honda GL1800 Goldwing. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda Goldwing. This iconic machine has been setting the standard for touring motorcycles for decades, and the latest model is no exception. Background and description. The Honda Goldwing is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Goldwing is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the Goldwing comes with a host of other advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The bike also features spacious panniers and a top case for ample storage space. Design and aesthetics. The Goldwing has a classic touring motorcycle design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Goldwing is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle with advanced features. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Goldwing has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Goldwing is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Honda Goldwing stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its reverse gear, adaptive cruise control, and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Honda Goldwing is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for riders who want to experience the ultimate touring experience. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the Goldwing is definitely worth considering.